Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's September 25, Wednesday, and Bitcoin is back, officially back in the short reload zone, touching 61.8 short. Nice to see that. We have kind of a double top there. I don't think Bitcoin will go anywhere to the downside until we'll take the liquidity at least. I'll be honest, I don't see the bearishness here. Why? ES is still strong. Yeah, we can retrace. Yeah, we can even retest 60k. Nobody says not. But for the moment, the trend is up. Yeah, we have an AB equals CD almost completed. AB, CD. We are fighting at this level. And you can see I have the line here. They'll probably take the liquidity and then we have to reassess. Usually what happens is takes the liquidity, rejects $1,000, $2,000 lower. After that, we'll have to analyze and see if has the strength to push back up. If accepts and close candle body on daily time frame above this level, then we are still in the short reload zone. Okay, we can look for short ideas, but at least we have something. Yeah, a clear uptrend here. And this time I'm not willing to take a short without clear reasons. Even if I'm in short reload zone, it's almost October, we had a retracement, we are in a range, we can play around here pretty easily. Now I think nobody's thinking anymore. If we accept above 60k, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles above 60k. That's nice. Now we are fighting between 69 and 60, and if you look, we are close to the middle here. Dangerous area to tell to the public or to tell someone, well, I'm bullish or I'm bearish here. Kind of ugly in the middle, but we are traders and we have to trade day in, day out. I'll look for trade ideas. But this pattern here, yeah, this is not bearish in general, so I'm expecting to push higher. But that's daily time frame. On 4 hour or 1 hour chart, you can find short ideas here at the top and long ideas here at the bottom pretty easily. Yeah? So overall, on daily chart, still looks bullish. Indicators here, I don't see bearish divergence. You can see it's not, maybe it is. Well, yeah, you can see high, lower high here, but this is potential. We need to close all the way down here to have an bearish divergence. For example, high, low, high, and now you have to go here and close below this level. And then, okay, you have bearish divergence confirmed here. Until then, it's just potential. Yeah, because we can push higher and we'll cancel this potential divergence. Nothing on RSI. You can see on daily we are not even overbought yet. No, we didn't got overbought from beginning of the year. Imagine if Bitcoin will get on daily time frame in the overbought area on RSI. Well, that means we should push a bit higher. Well, our hedge, it's still active. I'll gladly wait to be stopped out from this one because the spot is pushing higher. Well, let's see what will happen today. I don't expect today too many things to happen. Maybe tomorrow we'll have more volatility. But let's see Ethereum. Well, you can see the weakness here. I hope you can see the weakness here compared with Bitcoin. Morning, Stefan. Morning, everyone. Yeah, you can see the weakness in Ethereum. And is something specific for Ethereum, seems like. A lot of altcoins outperforming now and they are strong. Ethereum is kind of weak. We are still above 2,500. So yeah, we can still push higher. That's kind of a support and resistance. And for the moment it's support, but it's weaker than Bitcoin, that's for sure. Just look at 2,800. Bitcoin is testing that level, and Ethereum it's far away from that level, $200 below that level. We have a W, but not a W the other side of this trend line, and we can play around a range here. Nothing special on Ethereum for the moment. Bitcoin dominance. Well, we are at the same level like yesterday, testing the support area and back in the range. It's that bearishness on this chart? No, well, no. Actually, retesting the support area is bullish. We can W out and push higher. We need more than that to think, well, okay, Bitcoin dominance will go to 55, for example, in the long reload zone. No. For the moment, we are still in a clear uptrend there. You can see higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Well, guys, yesterday, morning Tolga. Yesterday I had a problem with the mic, and seems like I was speaking and the sound was through the laptop, not to the microphone, and the sound was ugly. I hope today it's better. I resolved that problem, and next time, guys, we are the same people usually. Please type in the chat, tell me that the sound is not good. Yeah, yesterday was ugly. The sound was terrible. Okay, thank you guys. So Bitcoin dominance, everyone, I saw a lot of Twitter, well, it's going down. No, it's not. For the moment, it's retesting the support. We need to push, maybe do something like this, even to think bearish. Let's go back here in the short reload zone and then EM out. That will be a nice but in the same time we can push higher. 60 is like a magnet now. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, daily chart. On daily chart you can see that cat bounce, and we are trying to get back down here to retest. Well, we can think about something just to have an idea. Well, let's take the high, the low, and let's put a long reload zone. On 4-hour chart you can wait here, and on daily chart you can wait here for a W on lower time frame and maybe a bounce. And if we'll do something like this, I'll tell you again, if we'll do something like this, then we can call it a bottom, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. For the moment, just a dead cat bounce, and from there we can go straight something like this. So let's wait and see what will happen here in the long reload zone. If the market will make a W or push higher, we'll have a big W on daily, and that would mean bottom Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Or we can slow down here and push lower, and then to make a W, maybe lower, maybe at the megaphone trend line. We don't know. Okay, let's delete this one. DXY. As we assumed this week, we'll try to accept below 100. That's not bad for us. Actually, it's good for crypto. It's good for risk on markets. We cannot say, well, it's bad. No. DXY below 100, we can see some nice movement in altcoins. And I don't know if you noticed, but altcoins tend in the last 2 or 3 days to get more violent. Bigger volatility in some altcoins. I don't know. You should tell me what that means. Okay, that's DXY. Bitcoin here, the different template, same level, not too many things to do. Total market cap, you can see, total 1, similar with Bitcoin, total 2, a bit lower, total 3. We are outside from, even on daily, we are outside from this downtrend channel or bullish flag. Could we have an altcoin season? Well, give me a W here, close above this level and then above this level, and we can talk about. For the moment, okay, AB equals CD, we assumed and we discussed this one, is pointing out here. Close on daily above this level, make a double, and then we can think about altcoin season. Yes. Why I'm not so bearish? Why I'm not posting short setups these days? Well, look at this chart. Even if I'll take a 3-minute scalp on the short side because I see something, I'll not post it. Why? I think it's safer and I think it's better for everyone to hunt long ideas here. If we'll accept below this level, okay, then we can consider that it's a fake out and we can hunt some short ideas. Or if I'll see YAMS. But for the moment we are above the old all-time high and we are pushing higher. I don't see why we should look for short setups. Maybe it's better to wait for a dip and buy the dip. I'm just saying. That doesn't mean you cannot scalp to the short side. We can scalp, and Stefan showed you yesterday. Yeah, you can scalp even if the market is strong. You can wait at the resistance level, frame a setup and make some money. It's possible if you are a good scalper, if you're a good day trader. But overall, I recommend to stay on the long side. I don't recommend to try to fade the trend. It's pretty dangerous. Okay, so as much as ES is pushing higher here, I don't think we should be bearish. Let's see 4-hour chart. Well, I don't see YAMS. You can see bearish divergence here forming on RSI. Okay, we have some signs, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean anything until we'll have an YAM. We need a clear YAM here. Because we can see a lot of bearish divergence on RSI and market still pushing higher and higher. And you can see even OBV is telling us something on 4-hour chart. No? OBV is ranging here and the price is pushing higher. You'll see that almost every time the market is pushing to the all-time high. The volume is not there. But in the same time, if the price is pushing higher, is pushing higher with a reason. Yeah. So don't try to short every time. Watch and wait for a clear setup. And until you see an YAM, I don't think it's a good idea to short. Again, if you're a scalper, if you are a lower time frame like Rocco, like Stefan, and you want to trade on 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, well, you can go long and short all day. But if you are looking at 1 hour, 4-hour daily chart, you should stay on the long side. Look at that chart and see higher highs and higher lows. Until you see an YAM, you don't have any business to even think short. Okay, so that's the overview. If you want me to take a look on something else, please type in the chat and I'll gladly do it. Requests at the end of the live stream. Let's try to take a look at Bitcoin on lower time frame, Ethereum on lower time frame, and some altcoins. If you have requests, we'll take a look at the end the ticker and the time frame for me to be able to give you my 2 cents. Okay, so you can see yes here, nothing special. Let's start with Bitcoin. Let's start with Bitcoin. We still have this trade here partially long. I don't intend to close it, and the stop loss on the rest is at the scratch, and I could just let it run, see what happens. If you remember, we draw this blue line, the blue area, some time ago, and I said let's see what will happen here. We are still below this level, 65. Now if we'll zoom in on 4-hour chart, you'll see that I have a long here. We made it a free trade already. We took another one. I took another one actually on lower time frame, and you can see the result. I could see a 3-bar fractal top here, trying to form, will make me bearish here. Well, if I'm a scalper, yeah, I could take a short here. If I'm a day trader, swing trader here now. No. Oh, this is just ranging below the resistance. That's simple. And I still have this shark, this SFU here, not shark. This was the shark. I still have this one in case of something will happen. So we are in a free position here. I made some money here, and in case of something bad or something will happen, something normal, nothing special, just a retracement here at 62, that will stop me out from this one and will take this trade. That's the 4-hour overview. You can see OBV is going flat, even some bearish divergence forming here. I don't see anything on MACD and RSI for the moment, nothing confirmed here. Let's see 1 hour. Now you can see the same thing. This was an LJ on lower time frame, nothing more, nothing less. And if I remember correctly, I discussed this one. We talked about that in the New York session. LJ here, you can see the M, you can see validation, W. After I was back from my my break, I saw this one at the retest, I took it. You can see the result. Made some nice money. Now we have some M's on 5-minute chart. Let's go back on 1 hour. Okay. So what we can think here? Well, we can think something like this. Something like this. This is the long reload zone here. This one is not valid anymore. Now you can see if we'll get back here and we'll find a W, we can play around. If you want to short, well, I don't know. If I remember from the morning, Stefan already posted a short idea here. But that's scalping, guys. That's for VIP people only. You should not be in a trade below 1 hour if you're not a day trader and you don't know exactly what you're doing. Okay. So that's my overview here. If we'll come back here, I'll take a long. I could wait also for a bot setup forming here. Looks reasonable for that. So bot setup, if we'll make W's here and we'll push higher, I could frame a bot and I could think AB equals CD. Look left, you can see the support bouncing here, retesting again, making a W, and then I will give me an entry on a bot setup, and that will give me a 3 to 1. So I'm looking at the market in that way. Ethereum, well, I'm short and I'm okay with that. It's weaker than Bitcoin, but actually here it's a range. It's going sideways. Ken and everyone else, if you remember, I said here we'll have a downtrend if we'll close a candle body below this level. 1 hour, and you can see we never did. We bounced, we retested the highs, and we're back at the same level. Well, now to tell me that it's a downtrend, well, close a candle body below that level. Okay, now I'll go back on 4-hour chart and look on some altcoins. You can see Aevo is pushing higher and higher, but I just drag my fib to wait in the long reload zone. Alt, we have a trade long on alt. Don't chase it here. Don't try to short it. Wait for the dip to buy it. CRV, nice and clean. I posted a bot setup here. You can see AB, W, CD is still possible, still at the entry. I posted on my $500 challenge. Saga is all over the place, Nuri, so I don't recommend to do that. You are a scalper, okay. If you are not a scalper, stay out. Dimension, you can see here. Now we have had a trade, is pushing higher, but let's see indicators. Look at RSI, look at MACD. OBV is still strong, but you can see the signs. Don't chase here. Don't fucking chase. A bot setup is possible. So here, take this low, this high. Let's do it live. Let's do it again and again. So This is the low, this is the high I want to see. I'll just put the bot one, and you can see 33%. So below 33, above 66. And this setup is from Brian Beamish. I love to say it over and over again, because I learned this one from him. So you can see A, B, C, D, one low, two lows actually. But from Brian Beamish perspective, this is not valid anymore because we already touched 50%. From my perspective, fuck it, take the entry and just leave with the results. Yeah? So if you'll take the 25, you'll wait with a limit order at 25 and stop loss here, and hunt a 3 to 1, is still profitable. Yeah? So it's still possible to do something if you see that Bitcoin is holding the level, is not going down. This one could push higher. So that will give you a 3 to 1. It's up to you if you take the trade. Don't complain after that you didn't took it, or complain after that you took it and hit stop loss. It's your decision. Yeah? Be a man. Accept your decisions. Don't blame me or someone else. I'm just a guy on YouTube blabbing away. Yeah? I'm not a financial advisor. And even the financial advisor, they have disclaimers. You know that. So after all, it's your decision. A, B, C, D, if we'll come back here, maybe you want to wait on 1 hour or lower to see what's happened here, and if you'll see a W, you can decide, well, I'll take it. Up to you. FAT, well, it's slowing down. Slowing down, look at the RSI, look at MACD, don't chase here, but I don't see a setup. I don't want to short here for the moment. This one, Stefan posted at my target, he posted a trade, a short, and you can see. Yeah, well, we have support here, but if you are in a free position, you don't fucking care. If you are in a free position, you took the trade here, you managed to close 50% or move your stop at scratch, if the market will push higher, will stop you out. You didn't lose any money. Doesn't matter. Next bus. Yeah, you have a free look at a potential downside. I'll short? No. I made nice money, really nice money. Look at this one, 6.6. I made nice money on the upside. I'll wait for the dip, and I'll buy the dip again, and I'll repeat the process all over until the bull market will be over, hopefully. I'll look at Saga. It's in my list, Nuri. So just 1 second. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's not draw a conclusion without looking at the chart. Manta, similar. Similar stuff. We SFU this level. If we am out on 1 hour, if you want to take a short, I don't recommend. Let's assume that the market will go back down here. Well, I'm more than happy to hunt a new long idea than to short. Guys, we are almost October 2024. That should mean something for you. Definitely means something for me. Pixel, similar stuff. Just adopt the long reload zone and wait if you're a swing trader. If you're a scalper, I said it multiple times, and I'll say it, a scalper, a day trader could go long and short all day long. But a swing trader should follow the trend. Or play the range game if you see a clear range. Similar on Pit. Solana is pushing higher, but look at the indicators. I don't think you like that. You don't like that. Look at potential, potential, potential. Even OBV is telling a different story. It's ugly when you see that the OBV is telling the same fucking story. Bearish divergence here. That's not good. Well, if you want to join VIP, you have to be a Discord member first. Then you have to DM Stefan, and its subscription is month by month. You can pay for more months, but usually it's month by month. And you'll see the trades that Stefan is taking. He's posting all of them in time. But it's not easy. Don't think it's easy to take the trades. Because when you post a trade on 5-minute chart and you have 2 minutes to take it, either you are there or not. If you are not there, you have to say next boss and wait for the next setup to appear. So definitely not for beginners or for people who don't master already the risk management. If you don't master the risk management, then I recommend Capua 2. Why? We'll introduce a risk management module in that program. You already have included 3 or 4 months of VIP, and you learn a lot of things. And if you treat the market seriously, you can become a damn good day trader. Ask people from our community that did Capua 2 and they'll tell you. You'll see them here in the chat. You'll see them active in Discord. You'll see them being gladiators and so on. Okay, so Solana here, I could see same stuff. Yeah, you can see with the naked eye A, B, C, D. It's possible, but I don't like that ugly divergence. I could play something else. Why I should play Solana? I don't know. Well, we can see A, B. Where if we'll put the but one, you can see, come on, flip it, motherfucker. Oh, okay, why not? So you can see here, yeah, below 33 and above 66, clone that one, put it here, and then let's see bot 2. Again, touched 50% with Brian Beamer's rules. You should wait for the next setup. With my rules, I'm okay. I'm okay with taking. Why I'm okay? Because I see the W and no retest of the W. Market is usually making Ws and retesting them and pushing higher. That's an uptrend. So I don't see why not. I should not take this setup. It's kind of forcing it because we have bearish divergence, but a bot setup doesn't care about divergence. Yeah, why the fuck I did here? Sorry guys. Okay, that's better. So take it, don't take it, assume the responsibility, take the trade, apply a good risk management, max 1% risk, and live with the results. Okay. That's Solana. Overall, well, it's better to wait here in the long reload zone for a new W if we'll come here. First attempt to long is this one. Ton, still I don't like it to do anything on this one. Doji, it's back in the long reload zone. So if you want to load, wait lower. But at least we have a location now where we can think about hunting long ideas. Doge. Well, we are in a trade. Let's just stay there. Saga. Okay, so let's see the overview on 4-hour chart. We didn't retest properly here. So, okay, we can push lower. But this market is strong. And it's violent also. Look at this candle. Up and down, up and down. Okay. Bearish divergence on RSI, but strong OBV and just a potential MACD on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, you don't have enough to think short. What you have here, in my humble opinion, it's half of the diamond pattern. Diamond pattern that has 50% chances to the upside or to the downside. Keep in mind this crypto, you can expect a fake out to the upside and go down, or fake out to the downside and go up. So I could see a potential diamond pattern here, which is not bullish, is not bearish. It's just, sometimes it's a reversal, sometimes it's just the middle point from AB equals CD. Kind of ugly to trade. Now let's go on a 1-hour chart. I don't think it's okay for me to go on lower time frame. At least not on this live stream. Let's see. Indicators. Well, you don't have anything here. You have some bearish divergence here. We gotten the overbought, and now you have not even a NM. That's a V top there. So exponential megaphone. You don't want to play something like this. Think you want to play something like this? You have to know how to play the megaphone. Not easy, and I don't recommend to do that. You can see it? That expanding volatility. That's kind of a fuck you pattern, if you know what I mean. Hard to trade, destroys everything in his path, because you'll see OLSFU will go back up and down, up and down. How you can play it? Well, you can play it in two ways. Either wait for the middle, this is the middle of the megaphone, and you can see support and resistance, but I don't recommend. The other way is to wait for a touch of the trend line and then assume, take the 3-bar fractal bottom here and 3-bar fractal top here. It's playable, but it's difficult. It's not for beginners. Has some ugly behavior, you can see it. So that's why I recommend just leave it alone and wait. Maybe if we're lucky and we can get a retracement on higher time frame, for example 4 hour or daily even, okay, you can see we didn't retest this consolidation here, so maybe we're lucky and we'll get back in the long reload zone here, and then we can hunt for the next W. This market is strong. This Saga coin is strong. We are not okay with chasing here. Look left, you are in a short reload zone if you take this level, but waiting in back in the range and hunting a new W is the best approach. Take some patience, that's for sure. So hope that helped, Nuri. Tao all over the place, yeah? You can see, like I discussed with Bocian yesterday, we still don't have a 3-bar fractal top to call it a top here. It's not there yet. We can still push higher. For thinking hedging short, I need something. Let's see 4-hour chart. I have a 3-bar fractal here, not bad. Bearish divergence on indicators. At least the RSI and MACD. OBV is just following the price action. Still not convinced here. Still not. Could be something. But I don't know if it's the right moment. Maybe you should wait for another one. 1, 2, 3 SFUs, and then we can think about something. That's about it on this list on Holy Grail. Because we had a nice dump overnight, pump and dump, it's better to just stay the fuck out and wait for a clear setup. Yeah, you can see we broke on most of them. We broke the uptrend, so we should wait for a new one. That doesn't mean we should short. Yeah. Some of them, they are still looking nice. They didn't broke the trend. For example, this one is at entry. If you want to take this one, it's pretty easy. Look, yeah, uptrend here, support here, entry on Holy Grail, stop loss here. Well, why not? Up to you. But something like dimension, look, EM here on 5-minute chart, breaking down, clear downtrend until you'll see reversal W's and Holy Grail pointing again up. No, just leave it alone. Just my 2 cents. So we can still play with Holy Grail, but maybe better in New York session or even tomorrow, because we had a high volatility up and down, or pump and dump. Let's call it that way. So that's about it. I don't see requests. Nobody wants to. Without with Saga exception, I don't see anything else. Ondo. Okay, let's take a look at Ondo. Let's go here. Ondo on daily. Well, we don't have spot here. I have only the futures. Let's take it that. Hey, Hania. Hello with question mark. You don't know if you want to say hello. Hello, Hania. Nice to see you back. So on the, you can see we have some ink here. Old one. Let's start with the weekly chart. And you can see swing low, swing high, AB equals CD here, top. long reload zone here. This was the area. I don't know if you or someone else asked me about this one, but I draw this level as a support, and you can see what happened. I think we have on lower time frame a long reload zone here. This was the area where we should pay attention. Weekly chart, you don't have a weekly W. On daily, it's tradable. You can see here the trend line if you are thinking, yeah? Something like this. Give me a W the other side on weekly or daily. Let's see what we have on daily. Okay, daily chart. There you go. Well, actually, this is not a correct trend line. Well, you can see we had the bounce. We said to wait in the long reload zone. You can see long reload zone 61.8, 78.6 was the bottom here. W here, double in the long reload zone. That was your trade on daily. Daily W. Problem is that this W had the middle of the W, the breakout point above 61.8. Kind of difficult to take something like that. But now what I see here, you have to wait for a breakout or something. It's too late, don't chase, you know what I'm saying. Take the take the high, take the low, and you have a range. Come on, motherfucker. Okay. You have a range here, and you can stay in the range depending what Bitcoin will do, or you can break out and wait for the retest. But still valid to think long reload zone. So draw another long reload zone. Too much yin here, too many things on this chart. But you can take the swing low, swing high, and wait in the long reload zone, and you'll see that long reload zone will have confluences here in this area. Don't chase here. If you are long from the area we said, then even better. Okay. Okay, dogs. What the fuck is dogs? I don't know about that. Dogs. Altcoin on Binance, new one. Daily chart. If I see no W on daily, that's for sure nothing on weekly, and we don't have history enough for a weekly. What we can do is the easiest thing, and what we should start with every fucking time. That's, let's draw a long reload zone. So this is the beginning, this is the top on this chart on Binance. We have good location, 78.6, but nothing else. I don't see W's, just stepping down. So this bounce and this bounce and this bounce is just steps to the downside. Yeah. What you see here, the last step down, look at the OBV. You can see low, higher low, and I think it's already confirmed. Yep. So that's a strength sign in the long reload zone. So you have one reason to think bullish here, long reload zone. Second reason confirmed, that's bullish divergence. Well, give me a fucking W. Give me a W here and I'll be more than happy to take the trade. Now, 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, you had the W. This was the W breakout and retest. You want to take this one? It's kind of aggressive because of how it looks on the daily. But if you want to take it, because you see that bullish divergence on OBV, I get it. Well, 2.7. Just to think short reload zone from this bounce. If you are thinking more, well, you can trail here all the way up. All the way up. Or wait for another W, maybe better. So, no, daily is the best here. So, because a new coin, you don't want to fuck around on 4-hour chart, you want to stay on daily and say, give me a daily W. You have two reasons. You just need the last one to enter the trade. Okay, Noor. And now Tinar is saying about Merl, USDT. Yeah, okay, that's the last one. Because I have to go on the other on VIP and maybe take some setups and make some money today. That's the point. That's why I'm here. Well, OKX, I don't think this one is on Binance or anything else. Let's start with weekly. Well, you have a weekly W here. I don't know what this one does. I don't know if will succeed or not, but nice signs here. You can see bullish divergence on OBV here, trying to push higher and higher. That's nice. Not enough history for RSI. But what you have here, definitely a good location because it's below the where we start trading on OKX. Probably on DEX or something else, if they traded before, you have more history, and that could change the entire perspective. But what definitely you have here, yeah, is put the line chart to see it easier. Well, you have a weekly W, which is not a bad sign. Not a bad sign. Kind of ugly to see here, but it's there. And that's the neckline, that's the breakout. So waiting for a retest here, not a bad idea. Will retest this level sooner or later? Yeah. If you want to take a position trade, nice to see weekly W's. If you want to take it, that's your setup if you want. If you are dollar cost averaging, okay, that's different. If you are little old lady guy or you want to buy and sell half on a double, you still should wait here, but you don't have a stop loss, so it's a different approach. But this one doesn't look bad on weekly. Let's see daily. Yeah, you can see W's, range, breakout, and retest. Now you have a daily M. You're trying to form a daily M, which will put the market back down here, and you can take it for your long setup. Or on daily, it's pretty easy to do something like this, a long reload, and wait here for a W, even better. Here on daily, I think we have bearish divergence. Well, look at RSI. It's confirming today. Bearish divergence, and will confirm probably the M, and then so on daily you can see it's kind of overbought, and maybe you'll form an M or push back in the range. On weekly looks damn good. Cătălin, you and Iana. Okay, let's take a look at Iana on 4-hour chart, and then I'll close the live stream. Anna. What I see on Anna on 4-hour chart? Well, what you can see on Anna on 4-hour chart? Let's clear it. If you are thinking if you are looking at 4-hour chart, you should be a day trader or a swing trader, Cătălin. Well, what I see? Well, I'll show you what I see. Well, I see this point. One second. And this was the last bounce. This was the retracement, and let's find the short reload zone. There we go. So on 4-hour chart, I see a short reload zone here. I see some bearish divergence trying to form on RSI and MACD. No, not yet. We have some confirmed already, but not new ones. What I see don't chase here. If you want to short, you know my opinion about shorting. If you want to long, well, you know what I'll say. You should know. So, swing low, swing high, wait here for a new W, take a long. Don't touch it here because in the short reload zone is not okay to chase. You don't have anything else. That's 4-hour chart. Well, if you have entry at 26, what you said, 26, 20, well, move your stop to scratch. Or take 50% to make a free position. It's up to you. I don't know how you frame the trade. Stay with us, and you'll change your way to trade. You'll see that risk first approach is the best approach. Yeah. On higher time frame, on daily, okay, still I consider this one a range, and you are still in the short reload zone, and same opinion. A retest of this daily double, look at them. Look at them, how nice they look. Just look at them, and no retest yet. That's a no-brainer OCO long setup. Put a limit order with the entry here, stop loss here, and without take profit or take profit here. No-brainer. Just put the limit order and forget about it. 1% risk, live with the results. Simple as that, Catalin. If you DM Stefan, we have places, free places on VIP, so for the moment it's not a problem about that. If you want really to learn about how to day trade, like I said, I recommend Capo 2. And I know what I'm saying when I'm recommending, because it's one thing to learn something today, something tomorrow, something after 2 weeks. It is another thing to take the program and take it step by step. Yeah. The results are damn faster and better, but the decision is yours, guys, not mine. Okay. I said 20 minutes live stream, and I have a 40 minutes live stream today. I'm okay with that. Why? Because we did requests. So if we do requests and it's not me blabbing away for 40 minutes, I'm okay with keeping the live stream longer. That being said, I'll go on VIP with Stefan to scalp, day trade. If you want to join VIP and you think you can manage it, okay, DM Stefan. Stefan will book you a place there. Registration is not officially open, so you cannot. You'll have to wait. You'll get your entry in a couple of days. But you reserve the place, and you are damn sure that in October you'll be in VIP. Okay. Okay, guys. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session. Bye bye.